I'm finding an app for you guys. Come, take a look. So this is the app. In this app, you can earn commissions when others fund these campaigns. Here you earn 20%, 20%, 20%, and they have raised $10,000 out of $193,000. And if you scroll up, in this case, they have also raised $10,000 from $581,000, and this will pay you 30% of commission. And to find out more, let's jump into my laptop. Come over to kickbooster.me and you can see that this is a crowdfunding website, software solutions for crowdfunding creators. Get more out of your campaign with powerful tools designed to take you from crowdfunding to e-commerce. So you can join this campaign and earn daily commissions. And guys, some people will close this video or skip ahead and miss out on key steps that will potentially collapse this strategy. I never want that to happen to you guys. What you're about to see in this short video could change your life. So get ready, fasten your seat belts. This is gonna be exciting, guys. And first of all, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you do that, YouTube will send you a notification whenever I upload a video. Let's start the tutorial. This is how it works, guys. Find what you're looking for faster. Here, there are creators, merchants, affiliates and backers. In this case, we are affiliates. I help creators promote their crowdfunding campaign by sharing it with my networks. So I means you. In this case, you help creators to promote their crowdfunding campaigns by sharing it with your network. So you don't need to have any networks, and this is absolutely free, guys. You don't need any money or credit cards to sign up. So let's go in. Here it says earn rewards for sharing the projects you love. Who are the affiliate marketers? Publications, bloggers, influencers, customers, fans, friends and family. Don't think about them. I'll give you the best strategy to execute this. So the first step is to sign up for free, create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes and don't pay a thing. As I said, it's free, and pick a project to promote. Browse through their marketplace to find awesome projects to share. Keep watching, guys. I'll show you the highest earning campaigns that you should focus on. So you'll learn a lot from this combined with the next website I'm going to show you. After signing up, you can visit this marketplace with hundreds of different campaigns. And the step number 3 is spread the word, generate a unique affiliate link with the click of button and share it with your network. That's what we are going to do next. And get paid. Earn commissions on every pledge that comes through your unique affiliate link. So let's sign up. You can go over here and sign up, click the button, and you have to get started as an affiliate marketer and give your name, your email address and your PayPal email address. That's optional. You can fill this later in your account settings as well. But you have to choose a referral code. And this one is also optional, but I recommend you to choose your unique referral code and select a password and confirm the password. And read and agree to Kickbooster's terms of use. You can read them by going over to this link, and you also can read this affiliate and user license agreement and accept that. If you like, you can click this mark and submit and sign up. This is your dashboard. And guys, make sure you watch this video till the end, as I'm going to show you everything step by step. Each and every step will be useful and will save you a lot of time, as you don't have to do anything else to set up this income stream. And this is your marketplace. Go to that and let's find out some campaigns. And guys, here you'll find some different projects and different campaigns that you can promote and boost. What this means is you will get a unique referral link and you're going to share them on the next website to make money. Okay, and in this marketplace you can scroll down and see the categories. There are a number of categories you can promote: beauty and personal care, design, educational, everyday carry, fashion, food, games, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology and travel. So here you can sort by newest arrivals, our latest picks, most funded, ending soon, and commission percentage. Here actually it's commission percentage high to low. So in my opinion, you have to go for the latest picks here. When you choose this, you will get the top rated programs by this website on the marketplace. So sort by that, and you can see hundreds and thousands of companies to choose from. and go through this. From here you can see the commission rate they pay. This one pays 15, this one pays 10, this one pays 6, and here you can see the amount they are raising and the amount they have raised at the moment. This case they are looking for $446,000, and see they have raised $100,000 and they're also paying 10%. In this case they pay 15, and you can scroll through and see. And if you change this to commission high to low, here you can see 31%, 30% of the commission, 30. In this case they also pay 30%. They are looking for $581,845 and they have raised $10,000, and it's in demand at the moment. And let's go to this and see, and you can click this boost and get rewarded, and this will take this side. As you can see, this is your unique referral link. You can see my name over here, and that's why I recommended you to give a unique name. You can copy this from here. As they say, get rewarded for referring your friends, receive 30% commission on every referred pledges you send to our campaign. Share your booster link, watch the sales roll in, earn your rewards. So we'll copy this link first, and let's see what people will see when they click on this link after we share this link. And this is what they're gonna see. They'll see this video, meaning this is actually working right now, and you're able to make a lot of money by promoting this exact same campaign. So when you share your referral link and when people click on that, they'll come over to this page, watch this video, and if they're interested on this, they'll put their money for this project. For example, $5, $15, $100, $500, $1,000 or more, and you'll get 30% of every dollar that you help them raise for this campaign. And guys, I really hope you're getting some value out of this content, and if so, liked it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button down below and smash the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's see the website where you can post this link. So you can go over to reddit.com, and this is the website that we are going to post our affiliate link, and you can just sign up by clicking this button and complete a simple form. I'm not going to show you those, and I'm not going to take your time. And now you can post on Reddit community. You can get so many votes, so many views, and so many clicks on your post. And now how are you going to post? To whom are we going to show this? First of all, we have to see the campaign we promote. So this is something a book reader will love. So let's search for books here. Search for books, and here you can see in this community there are 19.5 million members, 477,000 members, 1.1 million, and 1 million members, 1.8 million members, 1.5 million members, 1.4 million members, 32.8 million members. Just like that, you can join these communities and post your link with some text over here. You can get some text from this. You can scroll through this page and get some text from this, and if you want, you can get some gifs or photos from here and take those photos and text and play around with this and post whatever the text you got or the photo you got here with your affiliate link, and you're gonna get thousands and thousands of views and clicks on your referral link, and most of them will put their money to the fund to support the campaign, and you'll make money by just posting your referral link on Reddit. And when you come back to Kickbooster, you can see there are so many campaigns that you can share on Reddit and get a free targeted traffic. As it's absolutely free to join kickbooster.me, you can boost several campaigns and earn commission over and over again, especially when you combine this with the Reddit strategy to get free targeted traffic to click on your link. Now guys, this is a very powerful community. Make sure you find communities on Reddit according to your campaign. Even you can promote your referral link on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and so on and so forth to maximize your earnings. And congratulations to Alexis Correa, who won the $1,000 premium course by commenting her favorite sports person. And you also can win this $1,000 YouTube automation masterclass by commenting the most sacred place you have been to. Type down below the most sacred place I have been to is, and enter this contest to win this $1,000 giveaway. Comment if you have any questions, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, share with your mates. Thanks for watching.